So I'm here in the aftermath of the blizzard of March 2017, and it's all over now. Sun's out, snow's falling, and I just thought I'd show you a little bit around, show you some of the stuff we had to do, including rescue a cow from a collapsed barn. Some good stuff in this video, so check it out. So this is where my brother and my father keep a small herd of beef cows, and as I came up on the barn and seen it collapsed, it was I kind of stopped taking video for obvious reason, because there was a cow trapped underneath this roof, and we were all looking around trying to find her. I took a couple pictures, and you'll see right here in a second we felt some movement under the collapsed roof, and we started digging, and you see us finding the spot where she was at, and we got a sawzall and started digging right here, and there you see the cow. After we cut out the roof, and there she was laying underneath the roof. And she was banged up, as you could see, but she was able to stand up under her own power, and we got her out of there quite easily. We got the cows moved out into here and out into what was left of the pasture. You could see this angle again. But there she is standing with the rest of the herd. She was fine. She had some cuts, but she was good. And just to give you an idea how lucky this cow was, I mean, you could see she was totally buried by that. Now, it must have made a racket as the barn started to come down that spooked the cows, and they all took off running out of the barn. She must have been last in line. And right next to where she was running was a rise in the floor that was about 3 foot high, and the roof landed on that, just pinning her down and not actually crushing her. Now the snowplows are pushing the snow off the road, and the people with the sidewalks are trying to shovel the snow from the road back off, and what you have is these nice high walls in between, nice barriers of snow. Both people are working to create. And I'll try to get a better video of this here, but you can see back there if you look carefully, this should be a good quality, that those icebergs are pretty big. And all that is from snow. This creek was flowing perfectly. As you can see the rest of it upstream, you can see it flowing real good. And this was free-flowing. That's all just snow that landed on the moving water and built up in certain areas. And you can see downstream a little bit, it even goes on for almost a mile. Yeah, unfortunately the camera isn't doing it much justice. It's just too much of a contrast in how bright the sun is off the snow, but those are very big chunks of snow built up. You can see here that the creek here was not frozen at all. It was very warm before the storm came in, and there was no ice on either side. The water was perfectly running through, nice and smooth. In this section here, it was even very, very fast flowing water. And it's unbelievable to think how hard that snow was coming down to be able to build up on running water enough to jam up like this. Of course, the water's still running smoothly underneath it, and it'll melt and it'll all be fine. But this is very fast flowing water normally, so. Anyway, thanks for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks a lot.